The reason why we have some of these, advisories and warnings issued are because, exposed skin, I mean, frostbite could happen very, very quickly when you get the combination of the cold and the wind that we're going to have. So, I mean, if you absolutely have to be outside tomorrow afternoon, evening, Friday morning, I mean, you got to take the necessary precautions to just make sure no exposed skin, all that is covered up because, yeah, I mean, that frostbite could happen pretty quickly. All right, we have a wind chill advisory in place starting tomorrow morning through Friday morning. That's for all of North Texas. That's because those wind chills will easily be in the single digits and could be as low as anywhere from 10 to 15 below, especially by Friday morning. Kind of a brief window of that first thing Friday morning. Then we have a hard freeze warning in effect for all of North Texas as well. That means those temperatures will be down into the single digits, potentially into the low teens Friday morning. This runs from Thursday evening through Friday morning because that's where we expect that entire window to be well below freezing, a significant time well below freezing, and that's where the concerns with the exposed faucets, the exposed pipes, and things like that come into play tomorrow night and into Friday morning. Let's talk about where the cold front is right now. It's 50 in DFW. Pleasant across most of North Texas and Texas, but look at to the north. Casper, Wyoming, now 17 below. Billings, 13 below. Bismarck is 15 below. That front kind of just making its way to northern Colorado and through Nebraska right now. It is hauling, and it will be here tomorrow morning between 7 and 10 a.m. At least that's in the DFW area, and it will move through very, very quickly. We've had at times so far kind of this fall-winter season, some of these just slow-moving, oozing cold fronts. This is not one of them. This is a blast of cold air that will quickly move through. Clouds around tomorrow morning. There's the front. 9 a.m. kind of bisecting DFW at that point. Maybe a little light drizzle or a snow flurry or a little snow grain activity from DFW to the north. We're kind of right after that front passes. If that occurs, no accumulation, no travel problems or anything like that. We stay cloudy the majority of the day tomorrow. Maybe some sunshine tries to break out late in the day, but it really won't matter with what your temperatures are going to do. So first thing tomorrow morning, it's in the 40s. Then it's a quick drop to at or below freezing, and then we're in the 20s and teens the remainder of the morning, the afternoon, and into the evening. There are your wind chills. So by noon, it's 22, feeling like 4. By 7 o'clock in the evening, it's 17, feeling like 1 below. That's where I was talking about those dangerous wind chills, dangerous cold throughout the day tomorrow. Then by Friday morning, single digits to 10, 11, 12 degrees. First thing Friday morning, there will still be a breeze out there, not as strong as what we're going to see during the day tomorrow, but enough of a breeze to give you a wind chill below 0 first thing on Friday morning. Of course, we will warm up a little bit Friday afternoon up to 25, and then your Christmas Eve afternoon around freezing for sure, well above freezing on Christmas Day, but Christmas Day itself will be a chilly one with that high of 43. If you're traveling across the country over the next few days, you need to be careful. You need to be prepared, especially for travel delays if you're flying. It's going to be cold all across the country. Wind chill advisories and warnings, potentially 40 to 60 below across northern parts of the country. Blizzard warnings for Iowa, Minnesota, parts of South Dakota, downwind to the Great Lakes, winter storm warnings, Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, parts of Ohio. A good walloping of snow going to happen up that way. So travel into the Midwest, northern, northeastern parts of the country, definitely going to be tricky over the next several days. No winter weather, or at least no white Christmas for North Texas. Of course, like I said, we could see maybe a little light drizzle or snow flurry or two tomorrow, but that's the extent of our winter weather here in North Texas. We just get the cold with this, and definitely no white Christmas for us this year. Light breezy. That doesn't make sense. I think I meant to say light winds and dry, and it will be chilly overnight tonight. 40 for the low. Very cold and windy tomorrow. That 44, remember, that's first thing in the morning, and then most of your day will be spent in the 20s. Hard freeze again Friday night into Saturday morning. Another hard freeze Saturday into your Christmas Eve into Christmas morning. But then look at that. I got upper 60s at the end of that 10-day forecast.